so Zimeo was a wild card entry. पहले ऐसा था कि Zimeo क्या है, and now they'll tell me the features. Zimeo में वो feature है ना, वो बहुत अच्छा है. I would say कुछ हुआ. I don't know whether it was different or whether it was not different, but I could see things moving.
Hi Pooja, welcome to Zimeo.
Thanks, Jaspreet. Thank you very much.
How are you? How are you doing?
I'm doing great, thank you. And first of all, thanks for inviting us to your office. Okay, that was an amazing idea.
It's a pleasure. Having an association with you for a year, it has been an amazing journey, and I
Likewise.
hope we are doing much better with the association in future on too. So before I start, we would like to know about your company. If you
Okay.
can just let us know about
Sure.
that.
So I represent a company called as Shri Maruti Integrated Logistics. Earlier, it was a courier company. Okay, and then as we evolved, we got into a new name, a new identity called Shri Maruti Integrated Logistics. So we have a product which is a courier product, and we have evolved from courier to delivery. Okay, so we deliver everything. So my MD always says that we deliver everything other than babies. Okay, so that's a nutshell summary for what we do.
Since you said that you have been 2,000 plus 2,500
Yes.
employee count, so what are the basic challenges initially that you were facing before you got for the HR automation?
Okay, so basically everything was manual. Okay, so even I used to sit and sign approximately 1,000 appointment letters in a month. Okay, because I was the only one and there was another guy in payroll. So creative HR was managed by me. So it was sitting and signing those appointment letters. And since we are very operations heavy company, there is always an attrition in the workforce. So I'm signing 1,000 appointment letters, and after that I get to know that okay, out of which 500 are already left. Okay, so another 500 I have to sign. So that was the biggest challenge because there was too much of paperwork, too much. Since now we were into courier, so that cost never affected us because it was our own business. So we were transferring the appointments from the places from Bombay to other places and everything. But then we realized this is not a way because there are some unproductive man-hours going. So we thought of having HR processes being automated. And then, hence, that was a thought process.
How did you come across Zimeo?
Okay. Okay, I will be very transparent. Okay, so Zimeo was a wildcard entry. Okay, I was on the verge of closing another HRMS. I would not name it over here, but everything was done. Their agreement had come to me. I had sent it to legal department for vetting, and through some connect, December 2022. I got to know that Zimeo also exists, and they have the similar capabilities, probably a better one for the company like us, okay, which is going to use such kind of automation for the first time. And I said, okay, if it has to happen, it has to happen today because I was in Ahmedabad, I have to travel back. So if somebody can come and meet us or somebody can schedule a call, we could get into that. The call happened and everything. We liked the modules, we liked the functionality and everything. Then I sent it to my commercial head. I said, okay, this is the commercials of the another HRMS and this HRMS. So he asked me, what is your gut feeling? I said we should give it a try. Okay, because we always believe that the new ideas, new concepts should be given an encouragement. So I said, why not? Okay, and then we checked the commercials and everything. Commercial was not a part, so we said okay, we will go ahead with Zimeo, and that's how the journey started. So it happened in just a day.
Oh,
yeah.
Too quick
On
on
yes. And
the
we met up in December 22 and we started January 23. So it was so quick, the implementation also.
Okay.
So we decided from January to fiscal year end we would do the implementation, and then we will go full-fledged from April 2023, which we did.
Talking about the implementation, how
Yeah.
was your implementation journey with us? Any feedbacks on that part or any thing that you want to keep a note of it, or you remember something that happens, no?
Okay.
कि कुछ अलग हुआ था या different feel हुआ?
I mean, I would say कुछ हुआ. I don't know whether it was different or whether it was not different, but I could see things moving. It was never stuck. Okay, so when implementation was there, we were introduced with a POC of Zimio, and it was me and my colleague from Ahmedabad. We both were in contact, and the implementation was happening. First, we took a demo. Okay, how, because as far as my organization is concerned, the education level of people at that point of time was not that high. Okay, so I wanted an HRMS which is stupidly simple. Okay, which a common man can adapt. I don't want too many logics, too many algorithms in that. So I wanted that the adaptiveness should be there. So we saw the modules by ourselves first from a layman's point of view. Okay, how my worker will see, how my operations floor person will see, and how my customer service person will see. So we found it good. We both took a demo, and then the implementation started. The good thing about implementation is that we had done a checklist, or probably we had done a matrix with the time frame that it should happen. We started from January में ये होना चाहिए, Feb में ये होना चाहिए, March 31st तक we should be full-fledged to get into it, and it happened. So I never faced any challenges in the implementation. It was perfect, and there were only two people who were managing the show. I think one from your side, POC, and Mayur. It was absolutely fine.
So, since it has been onto the automation level during the implementation, so there might be certain changes on the employee level too that you might have faced, because adoption for the employees is also another challenge, that they don't go for the technical aspect or why this software is installed, we are okay with leaves. So were there any kind of reviews from the employees that you have faced?
When we introduced, okay, that there was an email which was short, okay, to all the employees saying that we are introducing Zimio as a HRMS and everything. People earlier were thinking what is HRMS? There was this level. Okay, so we told them that it is an automated process. Okay, everything will be on an electronic platform. So the manual intervention will be reduced, and you can see there would be a transparency. So when we explained them the benefits of it, they were very happy. Okay, Zimio was a little different name for them. Okay, out of that some people, I mean 1 or 2 calls के में वो Oyo आया है ना हमारे पास, ऐसे it's not Oyo boss, it's Zimio. Okay, but they got acquainted.
Something that different gets cast in mind.
Yes. And even today, I mean, I tell them check on your ESS portal. Okay, but for them the terminology is Zimio. So they just call it. It is like some in rural areas. If you go and you ask for toothpaste, they will ask you Colgate चाहिए आपको. So it is like that. They don't know HRMS. They don't know ESS portal. They know Zimio. So I keep traveling. So I keep visiting the people at the operations also. So the first response which I get from them even today and even then when we introduced was that पहले ऐसा था कि Zimio क्या है, and now they'll tell me the features. Zimio में वो feature है ना वो बहुत अच्छा है. So sometimes I say, is it? So that way. So the journey has been very pleasant as of now. I hope that will remain as it is.
Definitely it would remain, and it's so good to hear something that we are working on to something that we can help you out to ease your process. So does your off-role employees also use it? Like on the ground employees or the person who are blue collar workers or anything?
Yes, my employees, and out of 3,300 employees, I think 2,000 employees are in blue collar category. Okay, so they all are using Zimio. They all check their own attendance. They are, I mean, I would say probably Modi ji must have created Atmanirbhar Bharat. Okay, right. We have created Atmanirbhar Zimio, at least through the employees. So they check everything. They know everything. Sometimes if there is any glitch or any time the server is down or something, nowadays they don't even call. They know it will take some time. It will pause for a while and it will restart. So they have also got used to it.
Okay, great. So if I say that on the automation part, if I ask you to define on the percentage wise, how much would you rate Zimio's process automation for your organization?
For my experience,
yeah,
right. So if as far as automation is concerned, we are I think 80% done on HR automation. Okay, so we have started using your payroll model. We are using your ATS. We are using your leave management also. Then we are using your taxation, we are using expense module, okay, we are using your OKR module, and I think there is new version which we just got introduced to travel. If it comes and if it helps, we would be using that. So I think 80% we are done. Why I'm saying 80%? It is basically we have covered everything, but there has to be some area for improvement, right?
There, once you get diversified
Yes.
into something, you
Yes,
always go
yes.
for more.
True. And we have a trip model also which we had taken a demo. We haven't started with it, but yes, we would definitely rework on that and we would start with
Definitely
it.
will.
Yes,
Definitely
because
will.
many my major population is on
Right,
riders.
on field
Yeah,
trip.
they're always on tour.
So, which feature you like the most on the wheel?
I get to know that one is that people are very happy is about their leaves being managed. Okay.
Okay.
There were few people who were not aware that till last year they were not aware that so many leaves are applicable to them. Okay, so the first time they are seeing even the holiday list, they get to see for their particular region, they get to see their holiday list. So they are happy that they don't have to call up and ask. Yeah,
Even
so-
approvals go smooth on
Yes,
that part.
absolutely. Even leave approvals or regularization, it happens at ease. There is no tension, and my payroll also works very good on Zimmy.
If I ask you to rate out of 10,
Mhm.
how would you rate product?
I would again, as I'll go with the logic of percentage, and I would give 8.
Okay.
Yeah.
And support,
9.
customer success.
Customer success, I would remain on 9.
Okay. A small testimonial if you want to give for Zimeo, what would it be?
See, I'll tell you one thing that Zimeo was a game changer for us in the organization. Okay, because earlier for my organization, HR was not existing. It was more of a payroll and hiring. Okay, with the introduction of Zimeo, our valuation has gone up. Okay, so people have started recognizing that HR has done something, and that is why this platform is in front of them. So I would say that it has helped us for that recognition in the organization.
Definitely it's a
Yes.
vice versa effect for us too. Because of the association with you, we have even explored much on the product development part, what we can do on the industry-based
True,
logistic
true.
industry, how we can explore that, what are your business requirements, how we can customize that. That is something that we even
It's always a knowledge sharing.
yeah, definitely. It's always a same thing. Thank you, Pooja. Thank
you
you
very
for
much.
the session, and it was great having you over here with the talk show. Thank you.
Thanks a lot. Yeah.